Looks like he has it. Huss lines up on his right. Heacock back to pass. Heacock looking, and it's fumble on the ground. Ball's on the ground. The Titans are on it. Beautiful play, and they're going back. They're going the other way. Is Westminster. They're on the run, and guess who it is? It's Ian Barr of the Titans. Another major play. Touchdown, Westminster. The scoop and score, Coach.
Love it, Marcus. Love it. Great play and great concentration. Not falling on the ball. They had an opportunity. There was nobody around. It was a deep sack. Had an opportunity to pick it up, Marcus, and then return it for the touch.
And who else other than Ian Barr, who has been amazing every game. The Titans take an early lead. Beautiful defensive play.